Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. Hey, this is a huge tip for all of you sellers out there. Trust me, I think it's awesome. Guys, if you're looking to sell your home, do not list it this week, let alone hold an open house this weekend. Why? Guys, it's Memorial Day weekend, and I've said it forever. The worst time, in my opinion, my experience is holding open houses is holding an open house during a holiday weekend, especially a huge one like Memorial Day weekend. Why? Guys, people are distracted. People got plans. Chances are you've got plans. The buyers you're trying to attract have plans. And in a holiday weekend, we all know people are going to get together for barbecues. People are going to go out to the beach, to the mountains, to the river. And here this weekend, Memorial Day weekend here in Seattle, the forecast is telling us that temperatures will be in the lower 70s with some sun. And when the sun comes out in Seattle, not like today, people get excited. Things start warming up. People just want to enjoy life after being, I guess, stuck indoor for so long at a long winter, because today is kind of chilly. People are going to be out. The last thing you want to do is focus on home. So what are they going to do? They're going to wait for the following week. So again, ask yourself, ask family, friends, you got plans? And that's going to tell you a lot. Because a lot of people are probably going to let this weekend pass by, buyers, and they're going to start looking for a home again next week. So I would say do it next week. In my experience, wait for next week and that following weekend where you're going to have the maximum amount of eyeballs on your house. That's the name of the game, isn't it? You want as many people looking at your home. Because if you do it this week, like I said, and people don't show up because they enjoy the weekend, your house is going to sit on the market a lot longer. And you don't want that. If you're a seller, think about when you're a buyer. If you're a buyer right now, think about what you're seeing out there. The houses that are out there longer the market, 1 week, 2 weeks, you start questioning it. What's wrong with that home? Is it overpriced? Is there something wrong with the house? And you don't want that. So again, maximize your chances of selling your house to as many buyers you can by waiting till the following week. Because those buyers, just like you, want to enjoy this Memorial Day weekend. Good luck, guys.